Alright guys, let's do one more analysis with price action and data driven. This time I wanted to do it for Apollo Hospital because one of my alert got triggered. Now looking at the Apollo Hospital, looking at the naked chart, no one can say whether the stock is at support level, resistance level, breakout level, unless and until you know at what level the price stands, right? Trading is going to be like very difficult. Now let me show you let me show you the 200 moving average. First I'll put the 200 moving average. Yes, price is above the 200 moving average, so technically this is a trending market. Ideally I should have entered it here, right? But price stands here. It's too away from 200 moving average. But what does the technical says? What does the price action says? That's it guys. Now this is my price action: resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, resistance 4, resistance 5. Check how many times this has acted as a resistance. Finally this is consolidating. See, the moment you see the consolidation, this is how I love trading. The moment, one second, the moment you see a sort of consolidation, right? What is consolidation, right? It is a symptom of either breakout or breakdown. Okay. This is a price action. One second guys. Then the moment the price went up, why did I draw this line? See, price went up, took the resistance, came down, the buyers were aggressive here, right? Again price went up, the sellers were aggressive here, came down, the buyers again became activated here, again sellers got activated, again the buyers got activated. Finally it has breached the resistance. I would not say completely, but this has breached the resistance, and then this is forming a sort of consolidation. That's it guys, and this is an opportunity for me. But this is price action. But what does the data says? What did I say? Price action will help you. Without price action it is very difficult, but with price action at least you'll help to know where does the price stand. And now check this 200 moving average. Don't you think this 200 moving average will act like a support and resist, dynamic support and resistance line? Check how many times, check how many times, check how many times. Every time you would have entered it, would have given momentum. It would have given momentum. It would have given momentum. It would have given momentum. This is the reason I used only one indicator in the entire trading world, that is 200 moving average. I don't know why. That's it. I use a 200 moving average because 200 moving average acts like a support and resistance, dynamic support and resistance. In a year we have 220 trading days. So this will show you the average price, where the price starts based on the past history of 200 days. This is the price where the long-term investors will put in their money in terms of taking up the stock up or down. So when I say long-term investor, people like not you and me, the big players, the DIIs, the FIIs. Try to understand guys, try to understand. This is a short video, but try to understand the beauty of 200 moving average, because these are the moving averages which the investors will use. When I say investors, don't compare them with retailers. End of the day, you and me, we are not movers and shakers. The movers and shakers are the big players: FII, DII, HNI, pro traders. Got it? Now, what does the data says? Let me take you to the data. See, Apollo Hospital, check the price action guys, check the price action. This is in the consolidation. Now this is also in consolidation. The moment the consolidation was done, it gave a breakout. So now it can move up or it can trade in this zone also. But if I take a calculated risk and if I go long, if I want to go for long, let me see. Right? Currently this is making long. Previously it was short covering, long, minute level of shorts got built up, then short covering, then we have short. Check this, short covering, right? It is making a cycle of longs and long unwinding, long short covering. What is the reason of short covering? See, whenever we have short covering, there will be like temporary buyers. Stock can go up. So looking at the last 10 days, right, I see more of shorts, more of longs and more of short covering with only one short covering, with only one short, right? This is giving me conviction saying that, okay, this might go up, but let's see the open interest. End of the day, I said that open interest. Are the people interested? Yes. Price wise, it is above its average price of the 99.4% and open interest 46. This is one of the, I would say, a concern. Basically I need 70%, 80%, but who knows, by the time I'm waiting for this to become 80%, by the time the big player, see, don't go on the quantity. If thousands and 10,000 of retailers will also join this trade, you might see a mere 5% increase in the open interest. I said 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. What amount the retailers will put in? Like you and me, we will put at max 1 lakh. Someone will put 10,000, someone will put 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. So do you think we will be able to increase the open interest on fly? No, only when the big player comes. One of the FIIs, if he starts showing interest in this Apollo Hospital, if he comes to know some good news about Apollo Hospital, if he comes to know about the results in advanced, if he comes to know Apollo Hospital is getting a good project, see, it can be anything, right? It can be any insider news. Then the big player will come and he'll start buying it in phases. That's where you'll see the huge hike in the open interest. But touch wood, right? This is the built up. This is your open interest still decent. This is your price action at a critical level. If it comes down, right, you should be able to accept your stop loss. That could be this one, that could be below this low, this could be below this trend line at 200 moving average. See, I'm not going to discuss about the stop losses. I'm just discussing about the trade logic. So price action combined with data driven. I'm just showing you live, guys. Right? Maybe I'll see it for data. Maybe today evening or tomorrow I'll just try to enter. I do not have conviction. It might be make or it might be break. All right. So try to understand, guys. You have to combine the price action with data driven, because end of the day the movers and shakers are the big players. Unless and until you come to know whether the big player has entered or not, right, stock will not move. Only the big players can move it. All right, thank you.